What's up everyone, it's your boy Phil, back at it again with another video, and today's content is all about this fairly cheap dash cam. About this dash cam about a few weeks ago, it took me a while to actually find the right one for me that will suffice my needs and purposes for a dash cam that will not cost too much money. Is this dash cam actually worth buying? So we're gonna go over three things. So the first one, I'm gonna go over a quick overview of the dash cam. The second one, I'm gonna go over the key features of the dash cam. And the third one is I'm gonna show you guys a quick installation of the dash cam in my car. So stay tuned. What we have here is the four major items that comes in the box of Apeman Dash Cam. The first one is the micro USB cable. Second is the car charger cable. Third is the suction mount. And lastly, the Apeman C420 dash cam recorder. On the side, there you will see the power and OK button, and up and down and menu button. On the other side, we have the built-in microphone with an optional rear camera interface that you can buy online separately. That's the SD card and reset button, and just a heads up, spring on this dash cam is still fairly new, so be careful when taking your micro SD card out, because if not, it can fling away and you don't want to lose that little thing. So like this one. Yeah, so be careful. Here we have the power port and the mount and groove. What I like about this dash cam is you can easily put it in, take it off, and you can even use it for your other cars. Or if you're not even using it, you can take it with you or hide it in the glove compartment if you don't want it out in the open where everybody can see it. All up to you, the choice is yours. Also, being able to turn it around 360, you can even face your camera anywhere you want, which is nice. This dash cam has a high resolution of 1080p with 1.8 aperture. I don't know how the resolution will be once I upload this on YouTube, but the video quality of this dash cam is definitely good enough to see what's going on in the footage after transferring the video straight to the computer. My two recommendations in getting a good quality footage of this dash cam is to set the resolution to -1 or -2 to reduce the glare from overexposure to the sun or street lights and car lights at nighttime. Also, to place the dash cam fairly high up in the front of the windshield so it can be tilted down a little so that it's not facing the sun or street lights directly. When using the motion detector feature, you have to make sure that you turn it on every time, because it is off at default. In order for you to use the motion detector feature, it is necessary to keep the dash cam on at all times. As you can see, the motion detector feature on this dash cam is really good and super reactive. As I mentioned earlier, I like that this dash cam can be turned 360 facing me whenever I need to. For example, if I were to get pulled over, we never know what could happen, and if there was an altercation, then I have proof or evidence of what happened. So this is how I installed my dash cam in my car. I didn't want the cord hanging everywhere, and I was too lazy to open the pillar on the car, so I just shoved the cords like so and pushed it with my fingers or the tool that it came with in the box. My goal was to make it neat as possible and less noticeable, less subtle, more stealthy, so it doesn't stand out too much from the outside to keep the people from breaking into my car and breaking my windows. So to answer my question, is this dash cam worth buying? Of course it is. It's less than $50 and it works just fine. I'm actually going to buy another one for my fiance and put it in our car. Well, that wraps it up. I hope you found my video helpful. Please subscribe and press the like button. Thanks.